Why is it not a problem? You have my number this whole time. You've been calling me every other day, but now you have a problem. I need to add some adjustment. Make it make sense, bro. Make it make sense. You just called me yesterday, the day of the funeral, but now you got an issue? Like, what is you talking about right now, bro? And then when I join your live, you talk about you didn't say nothing, but you made your friend disrespect me. I don't even know who the fuck that boy Pops is. Why is my name in his mouth? I would never let nobody disrespect Gotti like that. Fuck. He kept bringing my name up multiple times, talking about Jasmine needs some adjustment. What adjustment I need? Adjust me. I'm here, adjust me. And then when I come join the live, you act like you don't got nothing to say no more. Like, what? Make it make sense, bro. The fuck? Who the fuck is Pops? Why is my name in his mouth? That Batiman, don't mention me, bro. Don't fucking mention me. You don't know me. Only person I knew was Bushead. The only Jamaican you see me go live with is fucking Bushead. Bushead's not even here. Therefore, I have no business to do with none of you guys. None. I know I need more mods. Guys, this is my backup account. I don't use this account. I'm only here because my band is live until later. I'm trying not to pay to no mind, but it's like, bro, stop mentioning my name, especially when you have my number. Like, you just called me yesterday, bro. We just had a conversation. What? Bro, somebody add him. So I'm trying to see why he's so scared. He keeps saying my name, but he's not adding me. Make it make sense. Nah, he need to come right here. Tell him to come right here.